Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tre'Leon Bay, and I wanted to share with you one of my favorite tools that I like to use as a freedom entrepreneur and investor, and it's called Clickfunnels. What is Clickfunnels, you might be asking? Clickfunnels is basically a marketing funnel disguised as a website. So even if you have a website and you already have something that you've either paid for a website designer and it's really pretty and it's awesome and might bring in a lot of traffic, but it may not be serving the exact purpose that you needed to serve at that moment in your campaign, in your marketing campaign. So whether or not you're looking to get a bunch of leads, or you're looking to get a bunch of sales, or you're looking to have some type of engagement with your audience, you can design a marketing funnel that's targeted to just have people take action on that one task. And so let me give you an example real fast. So we're going to design a marketing funnel in about 3 minutes, but I want to give you the whole gist of how you'll actually think about starting your marketing funnel and creating it from scratch. And once you get the mind frame of how you actually do it, then you can create it really quickly using a tool like Clickfunnels once you have the concept down and what you're doing. So if let's start from, I have a website already, so I'm gonna show you a nice website that I made off of WordPress.com. And when you design a website, or if you get someone to design it, it may take some time. You'll have to add a lot of content. It's a lot of different options that people can click on and go towards and learn about you and things like that. So this template that I chose is still somewhat of a marketing type of template. It's like a landing page that will have a certain call to action that directs people to go certain places, but generally it's still a blog, and it has blog posts, a lot of places that people can go. They can read about certain things and put information here. So this is the general website that we have. Now we're going to create a separate marketing funnel using Clickfunnels that's going to be targeted towards using the same brand, but it's going to be targeted towards doing a certain purpose. Alright, so here are some funnel ideas that I want to do for real estate. So this website here is a real estate website. It's targeted towards real estate sellers, so I'm trying to make offers on homes to sellers for their homes. And so this website is targeted towards that, and a lot of the blog posts is targeted towards helping sellers sell their home. But I want sellers to be able to take a specific action, and I want to be able to put this out there towards paid marketing, towards social media marketing, and it's also going to be able to, some of the traffic that's coming in through the funnel, of course, is going to go eventually to the website, but I want to be able to capture leads in a way that's faster and more targeted and direct. So we're going to use Clickfunnels to do that. But in order to start off with your marketing funnel, you really have to think about in what way would you like to target your audience. First of all, what is your audience? And even though we're using real estate right now as an example, you can use this for any industry, literally, whether or not it's local businesses, whether you have a local business, or whether or not you're a music artist, or whether or not you're a online entrepreneur and you sell products, or your own products, or you're a coach or consultant. Clickfunnels can be used for anything. E-commerce. I'm going to show you some examples in a second on the different type of Clickfunnels examples that you can use in different type of niches and industries. So if we go into real estate and we really think about our market that we're targeting right now, what I want to do is I want to target real estate sellers right now, and I also have a list here for real estate buyers, and these are some things that I can offer to my market in order to get their attention, in order to service them and provide what they're ultimately looking for, and then also for them in exchange to be able to take the call to action that I'm asking them to do. And so for this example, I'm looking to be able to connect with home sellers, and so I want to have them give me their email address so that I can start having conversations with them, start building relationships and build a rapport. But my main call to action is just a really easy first step, is just let me get your email address in exchange for me giving you what you're ultimately looking for. And so home sellers are looking for a lot of different things, and these are examples of what I listed out of what I can offer them. But for this situation, I want to offer to purchase their home. And this is something that you want to go through with yourself to be able to figure out how you even want to target your market, what message that you want to be able to talk to them on, and then what you want to offer them. Once you have that, creating a funnel with ClickFunnels is literally like 1, 2, 3, and that's going to be the easy part. So let's go to ClickFunnels here, and we're going to literally just create a funnel fast in about 3 minutes. So this is the back office inside of ClickFunnels. We click right here on this button called on this Add New button here. Alright, so we're going to do an opt-in funnel because we're just trying to get their email address generally. We're going to choose one of these templates. They have a lot of different templates that you can choose from. So that was creating a website, and this website basically is going to direct people to put in their name and their email address, and then from there I'm going to be able to contact them and go over what the criteria is for their home. I'm going to send them over to our website where we're going to give them some information on what our program looks like and how we're able to purchase their home quickly for 100% of their purchase offer. And so it's going to take them right over to our website, and that website is going to have another form where they'll fill out and give me the details of their home. If you wanted to change their that call to action or change out your marketing funnel, where they go and they click here to start now, and they can actually, you can change this to add a phone number here if you want to just add a phone number. And so at that point you would just click here and you would add out an input area, and then you would center this area or take certain areas out. So you can just go here and you can set up which one this is for phone number, and you can just add a phone number there. And so that way you can go and directly, whatever it is that you want them to take, whatever next action, whatever you feel like it is in your sales cycle, that'll get them to do what you need them to do. That's what you use a sales funnel for, basically. So I would put this in front of sellers that are looking to sell their home right now. So people who have their home listed on Zillow, people who have their home listed on Craigslist, eBay, and anywhere else that I can see a home or a seller looking to sell their home. They're eager to find someone to purchase their home right now for exactly what they would like to sell it for. And so that is the beauty of being able to set up a marketing funnel using Clickfunnels, because it's quick. It's really fast for you to be able to set something up using a template that they already have. You don't need to know any coding. Only thing you need to know is who your market is, how you're targeting them, what action you want them to take, and you come up with some words that'll give them exactly what they're asking for, and then you send them to be able to contact you or give you their information so that you can move forward in your sales process. And so that's the best thing as far as being a lifestyle entrepreneur or investor. You come up with creative ways to be able to touch people using the internet right now, and Clickfunnels is a great tool to be able to help you to do that quickly, and it doesn't cost much for you to be able to do it. So they have a 2-week trial for 14 days. You can try this out. You can use this tool, which is an awesome deal for you to be able to go out and make this thing work for you before you even have to pay anything. So I'll leave a link below for you to be able to sign up for that 2-week trial. And then also I'm going to show you some other examples of how you can use Clickfunnels either in real estate. If you're in real estate like me, then there's all types of ways that you can use Clickfunnels, either targeted towards buyers, sellers, and I'll show you some of those examples. But I'll also use Clickfunnels in a whole lot of other niches. If you are in e-commerce and you sell physical products, or if you sell digital products, if you're an info creator, or if you sell certain type of info products or affiliate offers, then you can use Clickfunnels for that. You also, if you're a music artist and you want to be able to get yourself out there, instead of getting a whole bright flashy website that people that just don't have a call to action on what to do next, you can start to build a loyal following by targeting people to take a specific action that you would like them to do, as far as listening to your music or coming to your concert or just joining your email list, so that you can have a following and send them emails of when your shows are and when you drop things. You'll be able to create buzz that way, in an easier way, by first building a list. And you build a list by having a marketing funnel and certain steps for them to do and take action in certain steps to be able to move them up in your purchasing ladder. Alright, and then also you can use it for if you're a consultant, if you offer coaching, or anybody else I miss, just pretty much anybody. Local businesses, if you're a local business, you can use it to be able to target people to take certain actions and get their information and follow up with them. Follow up. But first you have to connect with them and get their information to follow up. So what are you going to offer them? And that was the point of me making this video. So let me show you now some other examples of Alright, so there you go. Those are examples of how you can use ClickFunnels in almost any industry that you can think of, any product that you have for sale, or any type of engagement that you're trying to do with a particular market. You can use ClickFunnels in order to have them take one direct action, and you can build a relationship from there, and then have them take subsequent actions after the first one, whether or not that's an upsell, or whether or not that's even a downsell, or to sell them multiple products afterwards. You'll be able to do that with a marketing funnel. So there's a lot of science that goes into it. When you sign up for ClickFunnels, like I said, I'll leave the link below for you to be able to sign up for a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels, so that way you can play with this thing, or you can actually get serious and get it working and making you money before you even have to start paying for the system, in which the system is only $97 to start with the basic package. It goes up to $297 for the premium package. Alright, so if you decide to go forward and purchase ClickFunnels and you want to use any of the templates that I showed you, just send me an email, or I'll leave my contact information below, and I'll just simply be able to copy over my funnels over to your funnel account at a click of a button, and I'll be happy to just share it with you. So if you decide to move forward and use my affiliate link to purchase ClickFunnels, I'll be happy to help you out in any way that I can. So until then, I'll see you guys later on the next video for our freedom tools. Peace.